This is my review of my Gerber folding knife. This is one of the first knives I got. Really small. On the handle, probably can't see it. It says Gerber, Portland, Oregon, so I'm assuming that's where it was made. I like to see that, made in America. Thumb set on the back. Plastic handle, lanyard hole. It does keep an edge pretty nice. I keep this one on my keychain, or if I'm going somewhere where I don't want a big bulky knife in my pocket. It's not bad. Can't remember where I got it. I don't know if it came with a bigger knife. I don't remember. That's all. Thanks for watching.